How's it going? It's Trafalgar Valentine today. Today is another card drawing video. Now I want to keep on going with my colour paper and stuff like that. I think I'm getting some interesting results from them. So today this one's going to be a Golf Mark 1. This one I did on red paper. Now I did this with a thick permanent marker. I wasn't too sure about that, but it turned out pretty nicely. And then I used a bit of white gel pen on top of that. I also used a lot of pastel to smudge around it. Had a pretty interesting effect, so I'll just quickly show you now. This is on A4 red paper. So here we are. So you can do this if you want to follow along with this. You can do this on white paper if you wanted to. I used cheap permanent markers in a pack, so it wasn't expensive. You can just do it with a felt tip pen, and soft pastels aren't very expensive either. So it's just a few little things. So hope you enjoy this video, guys, and keep on drawing. Okay, let's start off with this golf. I'm going to use my thick permanent marker for this. And then I'm just going to do, it's quite a nice boxy kind of car. So this is just going to be the front end. And then I'm just going to shade this in. Might add a little bit of an edge just on there. Okay, and for the bumper, okay, then comes down. There we are. And let's do start the bonnet on top. Then come across. Then for the windscreen. Okay, then so we've got side windows in there, and for the rear section, just bring this up. Then bring this round. With these quite large stanced wheels. Then bring the side across. Put the rear wheel in there. And let's do the large inside rim section. Okay, then a bit more detail. Let's do the door. Door handles in. Then let's do a thick shadow just on the horizon line. Okay, it's looking good. Just doing some finishing touches. This is where the rearview mirror will be. And then a little bit of the dash just here. And the inside of the door comes there. Okay, I need something else. Just a bit of shadow at the bottom. So I was just doing a little bit of shadow here and there, maybe on the inside of this wheel. Okay, it's a little bit short wheelbase than what I expected, but I think it'll work. Okay, let's do a little bit of coping markers for that. Let's see what colour this makes it. Okay, it's quite a dark grey, this. I want to do a bit lighter. Then just do a little bit round here. Then just colour in some of this. Okay. Okay, I might just do a bit of white gel pen. Just a little bit here, top of the wheel arches. And I'm going to do a white gel pen line just around this edge. Okay, looks good. I want to do a bit of pastel for this. Okay, and let's do a little bit on the outside.
Construction complete. Reinforcements have arrived.
Just smoothing it all out and flicking it off the edge. Okay, and maybe just a touch of grey. Okay, might do a bit of contrast in blue just underneath. Then just smoothing this out. Okay, now I just want to highlight those blacks that I did. Okay guys, I'm just finishing up here. I'm just putting my signature logo on the side. But yeah, it's turned out pretty nicely. It's got an interesting effect there with the pastels and a mix of the gel pen. So I'm happy the way that's turned out. Maybe I'll just do VW just on here. Okay, that'll do, that'll do. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you later.